One school that inspired me to, in fact, adopt certain qualities of a school was a school led by a woman. Most of the schools I visited that were led by women, they were different. When you enter the premises, you could see the cleanliness. You could see the order. Even when you enter the staff room, you could see the display that there is order even in the hall. So I also highly regard and respect the role the women play in building our nation. That is why within a family, you can tell when there is only a father and there is no mother, that there is no mother here. Because they always bring order. Even when we raise our children, who are more nicer, and our wives are a bit stricter, they give order. Even to yourself, as the father of the family, they give order to you. Amen.